Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends and welcome to our channel TubeCore, and in this video we are going to review a product from Warrior Plus called Paramountz. It's a Paramountz review, and at the top you can see it says new traffic impulse app drives free bio traffic on autopilot, no website, email list or product needed. Okay, so whenever you see such message, stay away from that product. But I will also talk about some upsides or some benefits of this software. So technically this person Moshbor, let me check his name, I think I forgot. So it's Moshbury. Okay, so this product has been launched by Moshbury, and I guess he is a software developer, so he can create websites, program, and he can make cool stuff. Okay, so technically if we go into the depth, we'll talk about the pros and cons of this product. But if you think this product is going to make some money, it's a big no. There's no product from Warrior Plus will make you any single penny. Okay, but you can use this product in a different way if you want to. So make sure you stick till the end. If you don't stick till the end, you will definitely lose your money if you don't understand what I'm saying here. So I'm not an affiliate like other people sell you anything from the internet. So I'm not those big affiliates who sell you everything and they scam you. I'm here to clean up the affiliate marketing space. My goal, the goal of this channel is to clean that internet marketing space which is full of scams and of these kind of crappy products. Okay, so to start with, this person Moshbury, he's a nice person, he knows a lot of technical things, he's a good software developer, I guess. But the product in particular is not going to make you any money. Okay, so it says here, get bio traffic from 300 premium sources. Now those premium sources you must have seen many times. Like those premium sources will be Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram. Those are your premium sources. So it's like you go and spam them. We'll check the demo in a moment. In the demo you will see everything in front of your own eyes. And it says no content creation, already working for beginners, and we replace 9-to-5 job and all that. So you don't have to spend too much time on the website, because website is all the same in Warrior Plus, which are make money online thing. So step 1, buy the product. Step 2, generate your affiliate link. Step 3, start promoting on Facebook and things like that, and you start earning money. There's no such thing. You will never earn a single penny. Okay, so let's go through the website quickly here. All those screenshots, all those reviews, this is all the same. You go and find 10 websites from Warrior Plus which are make money online website, and they will look all the same. There will be no different. All the thing. I was broke in the past, and then I got the system, and then I got rich. Okay, this is all the whole crap. So let's go further down here, and there's not much to read about. We'll go into the demo in a moment. Let's go at the bottom. There should be an affiliate disclaimer here. So it says this website is in no way affiliated with Facebook or any Facebook entities. And once you leave Facebook, the responsibility no longer is on their side. We make every attempt to clearly state and show all proof. We do not sell your email or any information or blah, blah, blah. Okay, let's get to their demo video here. This is inside the dashboard, in which we will see all the functions. How does this thing work? Let me try to mute their sound first.
Hello and welcome to our software Paramount.
Okay, so I will explain how this works. Now on the left side you can see page builder, social steer, Facebook poster, Facebook comment, Instagram poster, Instagram bot. So normally in any dashboard, all you see is you go and make a landing page, and then you start spamming your Facebook groups with those landing page with your affiliate link. That's all. In this particular dashboard, they have a couple of extra things. So first, they will give you these inbuilt templates, and using these templates you can create your own landing page, and you can link 3 affiliate pages. So you can link let me go back. You can link products from Zavizu, from Warrior Plus, and from ClickBank. So you can choose one of the products from these 3 affiliate programs. Then you can go to create a landing page as per your customization. And once your landing page is ready, you need to go ahead and spam your Facebook and Twitter and Pinterest accounts. These are those free traffic sources which they're talking about, okay? Which you will find in every other make money online website on Warrior Plus, because it's all scam, okay? Now, once you spam these Facebook groups and everything, In other products, you will have to do it manually, right? So you'll have to log into Facebook and then post your links there. But what they have done in this dashboard is they have automated it, which means you link your social media account with this dashboard, and then this is the multimedia post, which means you can post links on your Facebook or Facebook groups from inside this dashboard. There's a reply template, there's an automation campaign. So it's like they're automating the spam process, okay? And this is for Instagram as well. This is for, I think maybe, this is for email marketing as well. So they have the email marketing, like you'll have to have your own autoresponder, and then you can connect with your API. You see here, so you put in your API from GetResponse, and then you can set up your email marketing campaign as well. Similarly, you can set up your SMS marketing campaign as well. You can put in your SMS API key, and you can have your own SMS, going through live here. And then here they have something to do with e-commerce, like you can generate some e-commerce shopping page. So you can see, you can connect your Shopify account to this dashboard if you want to, or some other e-commerce thing, and then you will be able to see their analytics here. So technically they have tried to give you a lot of features inside the dashboard. So thumbs up with their technical job, okay? So it takes expertise to make these kind of dashboards and then automate everything and everything. So technical part is good, right? No question asked in terms of their knowledge or in terms of their technical skills, but the way you present the software upfront, that this software is going to make you some money, that is all a lie. This or any other such software will never make you any money, because in the end the traffic is your own responsibility. So let's say if we stop this video right now here, and you see these are the sales pages, or these are the campaigns which they have created for demo purposes. So this will be your sales page. Now once you have the sales page, it is your own responsibility to get traffic to that page. How would you do that? In this video, they're only telling you to go on Facebook groups or Pinterest and Instagram and spam these links over there. Now Facebook is an entertainment thing, Instagram is an entertainment thing. You don't have buyers there, okay? Unless you run some targeted Facebook ads, you don't make sales on Facebook, okay? Unless they're buying something. So Facebook, Instagram is good if you have an e-commerce store, you're selling some clothes or something fancy, that's good. But Facebook is not good for affiliate marketing, okay? You send me a link on my Facebook and say, hey, buy this program and all that, I'll block you instantly, okay? So if you spam Facebook, people will block you. You are not gonna make any money on Facebook or any other or maybe on Pinterest, because those people are not there to buy. If somebody goes on Pinterest, they are there because they want to spend some time, they want to kill some time, and they want to entertain themselves. Similarly, somebody goes on to Facebook, they are there to entertain, or they have landed on your page by mistake. So getting sales from spamming Facebook and other platform is very, very less, unless you have you have established audience. All right, now in this case again, full marks for their technical skills, because Washburn has launched some other programs in the past which were useful to people, like some cloud builder or some hosting services. So they are genuine services which you can actually use and get profit from them. But as soon you launch some software which claims that you're going to make some money with it, I'm so sorry, you will never make any money unless you have some skills. For example, I'm making YouTube videos. Why am I making video? I'm working offline, so I have SEO skills. I can make websites, WordPress website. So these are my offline skills. I know how to make websites. I know how to do SEO. I know how to get traffic. So these are my skills, right? And now I'm making YouTube videos. So everything is on me. Nobody else is gonna give me a system to make money. If I'm making YouTube videos, YouTube might pay me in the future, right? It might pay me for ads and everything in the future. So I have some skills here. I can talk, I can give reviews, I know how to make a website, I know how to do SEO, I know how to do other stuff. Now you have to figure out what is your skill. Because if you don't have any skill, you need to learn one of the skills. If you can't learn one of the skills, you cannot depend on somebody just like that to give you some magical system in which you put your in which you put your affiliate links and you get rich. It's not going to happen, my friends, okay? So don't depend on somebody else. Learn a skill, learn anywhere on Google or on YouTube, go anywhere, learn something, learn SEO, maybe learn how to make YouTube videos, learn how to make a website, learn something, whatever your interest is. Once you learn, once you master that skill set, once you are an expert, then promote it as your, as a business, or do YouTube, do something, but you have to start. Don't depend on these kind of softwares. They'll not make you rich, they'll only make you poor. If you spend 20 bucks on something, that 20 bucks doesn't mean you are rich. That 20 bucks means that it's gone from your account. Okay, so some smart people say that if you buy a product which is worth for $1,000 and that teaches you how to make money, so technically you have lost those $1,000. You have not earned anything. Okay, so $1,000 gone from your bank account means that you're in minus 1,000. Okay, so use your brain, which is the very first thing at the top of your head. Do not go for this product if you're thinking to make some money. If you think, okay, you want to automate some system, you want to automate Facebook post, you want to automate email marketing, you want to automate Instagram posting or reply. So for automation, for technical part, you can buy if you want to, but if you're thinking this is going to make you some money, no, this will not make your money any money. All right, so we'll end this review for now. Thank you for listening to me. Do subscribe to the channel. If you don't subscribe to the channel, nobody else in the world will give you honest reviews, because other affiliates are there to feed on you. Other affiliates are there to make money by selling you anything on the internet. Okay, so here on this channel, we are not here to sell you anything. Okay, we are here to make YouTube videos. In the future, YouTube will pay us. We don't need your money. Okay, we don't need to scam people. You can earn money even by doing genuine work. This is what people don't understand. So you don't have to sell crap on the internet. You can still make YouTube videos, give honest reviews. If you give honest reviews, people will still pay you. YouTube will still pay you. People will still contact you and do collaboration with you. So even if you do some genuine work, you can still earn a lot of money. All right, and just wait and watch. In the coming next 2 years, people will actually start giving honest reviews, because they will see my channel and they will understand that this tactic don't work anymore. Because right now people are selling just like anything, they are selling crap. Okay, but in next 2 years they will see what I'm doing, and then they will understand that, okay, this tactic is not going to work anymore. We have to give honest reviews by following me in particular. So just wait and watch for next 2 years. Be our subscribers and you will agree with us that I'm going to change in this internet marketing thing. Give me 2 years and we will see you in the next video. Now, thank you so much for watching. Okay.